Stay on the PJ, but
all right, welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. It's finally here. I can't believe it. Before we get on into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and turn on that notification bell, and get ready for Scoofy Sundays. All right, enough talking. Let's hurry up and get on into the video.
Straight up out the seats, I don't talk, I just fire. Straight up, book me for a show.
So it's time. We have the game. We finally got it in hand. I can't believe it. There it is, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it so you can see everything that comes with it. On the back, let's just show you the back so you can see that. All right, I'm not gonna read any of that. I'm just gonna let you see it like that. You can pause it and do all that if you need to. We're gonna unwrap this. Just picked this up from GameStop. So we got it a little early, the day before it releases. One thing I like getting the physical copy because you get a little advantage, even though you still have to download the game. So I'm just unwrapping this thing. I don't even know how to, I'm just gonna rip it. Whatever, I don't care about making it look pretty. Oh look, that was easy. All right, so there it is. They don't really give you stuff anymore. They used to give you like a ton of stuff when you bought the like expensive one, but they don't give you that. So here's all the bonus content. Not gonna show you the code on the back, but that's all the bonus content you got right there. All right. Then NBA 2K Playgrounds, they keep trying to promote this game, but so there it is, the official 2K20 game. There's the disc. All right, and now it's time to pop this bad boy in, and I will see you guys in the park. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Also check out the Scoofy Sundays giveaway coming up really soon. And if you want to add me and play with me, my gamer tag is YouTube Scoofy. All right, that's how you find me. All right, Scoofy here, and I'm out.
Nigga flexing money, if I want it, then I take it. Hurry up, run no face.